Month, we're taking a closer look at financial issues that specifically impact women. WCNC Charlotte's Kia Murray caught up with a local money coach about where women can start when it comes to saving for the future.
It can't just be, oh, the things that used to work for men and just put a pink label on it.
Bernadette Joy is the founder of Crush Your Money Goals. She says when it comes to investment apps, it takes more than marketing to create tools tailored to women.
A lot of my clients who actually really think about investing, they look at what's available in terms of investment products, and a lot of those investment products aren't aligned to what women really want to invest in.
It's a practice women are behind on. According to the Transamerica Center for Retirement Studies, women fall behind in retirement savings and investments when it comes to IRAs, 401ks, and brokerage accounts. Still, breaking down a study from Fidelity on women in investing, it showed as of 2021, 67% of women are investing outside of retirement accounts. That was up 23% from 2018. And over the last decade, the study says women outperformed men by about 0.5%. As for what women are investing in, the study listed individual stocks and bonds, mutual funds or ETFs, money market funds, and cryptocurrencies. It's why Joy pushes this for her clients.
I am really encouraging women in particular this month, Women's History Month, to kind of buck the historical trend of being underpaid and undervalued and taking control of their finances this month.
Kia Murray, WCNC Charlotte.